Hello friends, let's begin to today's video. I will teach you how to make some vehicles using redstone buildings. I'll teach you very easily. First of all, we should make a rocket. For that we all need, first of all, we should place some red concrete. After that, place some slime blocks like this. You can see how I am placing it. Like that you also make it. After that, place some observer facing downwards and place some slime blocks and place some observer like this and place some sticky piston. You can see it looks like this. You should also make here some same method. After that, place some redstones top of that and put some iron rod. After that, place a fire down of that. Now it is began to fly high. You can also see guys how it is working. I think you feel it is so cool. Let's move towards second. It is submarine. Submarine is used move inside the water. Place some planks and place some observer downwards and place some sticky piston, not normal piston, and place some slime blocks. After that, place some observer and make the same process what we had done in down. After that, build some structure what you would want to build your submarine. Now you place some rail track and place some rail. Place some glasses for your safety. Let's make sure it is working. I think guys it is cool. Let's let's try out this. There's some glass behind it. See guys, now it is moving cool. We can easily breathe inside this because we cannot get any effect from water. I think it is very cool. You can also explore many ocean monument by sitting in this. Second one is car. Third one, sorry. It is very cool and very interesting for you all guys. I think next that place some observer and place some slime blocks like this and place behind sticky piston and place some slime blocks like this. You can make the structure of car as you like. I am making in simple way to show you many things in this video. Build some structure like this. Place some black concrete or what concrete you would want. For this is instead of we are using wheel. After that, place some I should place some tracks and rail. Now we can sit in this and easily travel. Now place the flint and steel. See guys how it is working cool. I think it is better than previous ones. Ride and enjoy guys because it is very cool. See guys how it is moving. You can also make the I am just made a engine. Let's make plane. I know you would get more curiosity in this video how to make a plane. Let's begin to start it. Place some pistons like this and place slime. After that, you should also place some slime blocks like this and observer like this guys. You can get some structure like this. This is engine. You can also make some other structure of plane. I am making just simple structure of this. You can also change the structure and you can enjoy your ride. You should build above then y-axis, y100 axis. Place the trail and you can see this guys. After that, place flint and steel. See guys, we are flying in sky. How it is, I think it is so cool. It is so much fun to ride. I think you will sure try this. I think guys it is cooler than previous ones. it is most better, I think. I thank you all guys for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe. I will meet in next video guys. I will come with soon with a better videos and new ideas. Thank you guys. Like, share and subscribe.